Red Riding Hood with Celtic's Blade Slash!
Hello YouTube, welcome to my first video, my first unboxing video on the channel. See, I've just got into Yu-Gi-Oh! I've been about 20 years out the game. Last few months I've been absolutely bang into it. Playing a Master Duel, collecting some cards. But I thought, as I'm buying all these cards, I might as well start, opening them on camera, see what I get. So here we go. I've started off with the 25th anniversary Rarity collection because it has a load of cards from my generation. I was into it around GX and Yu-Gi-Oh times, Duel Monsters, and now to, these current times. So I've been playing Master Duel a lot, so I'm familiar with the modern day rules and concept, but I haven't played much with the modern cards, so yeah. Right, so I've just needed to get my knife. I'm going to take off the plastic. It's freshly sealed. I am really enjoying this collection so far. I have opened one up before, but this is the first one on camera. It's a lovely box, lovely cards, some really expensive cards in here. Yeah, but we might as well get straight into it. So, first pack. Ice Barrier, Fossil Dig, Magician's Salvation, Alpha, the Master of Beasts. Used him in Master Duel, very good card. Here's our second pack. Spellbook of Judgment, Lava Golem. I hate this card. Ooh, Ancient Fairy Dragon, Eldritch, the Golden Lord, and sorry, another Lava Golem. 2 Lava Golems in a pack. Sorry about some of my pronunciations on these as well. If I do get them wrong, I get them wrong. I haven't played that much, I'm only a few months in. Still learning the cards, basically. Here's our third pack. Preparation of Rites, Danger Jackalope, Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion, number 100, Numbered Dragon, Code Talker, Inverted. I'm hoping to get an Ash. I'd love to get an Ash. Here's our 4th pack. Reasoning, Shadow Schism, Harpy's Featherstorm, Dogmata, Excelsior, is that the Virtuous, and a Change of Heart. We're just going to get right through these. Oh. Messed that one bit up. There we go. Win, the Wind Chandler. Code Talker Inverted. Oh, Predaplant. Draggle. Stop. See, even that gets past me. Dark Ruler no more. Another 3rd Lava Golem. Alright, another pack in the game. I love these new cards. Compulsory Evacuation Device, Evenly Matched, Summon Light, that's a nice one. That is a, what is it, quarter century? Yeah, 25th anniversary it's got on it. Summon Light, Forbidden Droplet, Shadow Schism, Trap and Magic Heavy pack that was. Right, another Predaplant, Ice Barrier, Eldritch, the Golden Lord, Artifact Lancia, and a Reinforcements of the Army. Classic card. I think that is I forget the rarity cards, like super rares, ultra rares, forget which one's which sometimes. Okay. Barrelode, Savage Dragon, the Iris Sword Soul, Nadir Servant, Striker Dragon. Magicalized Fusion. So we are getting some nice cards. I haven't seen them even in my first, when I got one of these boxes before. But we are getting through these guys. As they are only 5 cards per pack, it is quite quick. Effect Viola. We use that in Master Duel. Fossil Dig. Called by the Grave. Time Thief. Redoer. Pre-preparation of rites. Pre-preparation of rites. Nightmare Unicorn. Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon. I love this card. Oh, look at that. That is a beauty. Oh, Galaxy 4 Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. Another beautiful card we have there. And the Fallen of Albaz. Downward Magician, Eldritch, Effect, Inspector, Harpy's Featherstorm. Still hoping for this Ash, guys. Dimension Shifter. I use him in my Kishara deck. Called by the Grave. Galaxy Eyes Afterflow Dragon. That looks beautiful. Dogmata. Ghost Bell and the Haunted Mansion. Prosperity. Tour Guide from the Underworld. Merdragon of the Swamp. Blackwing. Simon the Poison Winged. Eldritch. The Golden Lord. I think we've got about 4 of those so far. You know, which ain't bad. He's still a great card. I've played many decks against him that have been quite annoying. Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon. Reinforcements of the Army. Reinforcements of the Army. 2 in a row. Elden Entity. Entiz. Fuck no. Don't know how you pronounce that one. Ice Barrier. Entiz. Dark Ruler no more. Pot of Desires. Fairy Tale Luna. Oh, we got an Ash. My first Ash. It's just a rare. This is super rare. The Gold Ryan. Nice. And a Vision Hero Faris. Let me just put down Protector. I need to check the prices. I'm not sure. I'm not really looking to sell these. Just collection. Let me just change this up. So and I do categories and put them into binders to see how, you know, much a complete of the set is. Right. Dingurusu. The Orchestra of Evening Star. Artifact Lancia. Reinforcements of the Army. A Baron de Fleur. Great card there. Ice Dragon's Prison. Super rare, I believe. Alright, we are coming to the final few packs. Oh, another Ash. That's great. Ice Dragon Prison. Change of Heart. Mech Knight Crusader Avramax. Another Dingurusu. So I know I've only been playing in like 3 months, I think, so far. But I do actually love it, you know. I fell out around GX time. And I've just gotten into, just starting to get into 5Ds. I'm watching the anime at the moment, which I will do a series on. Covering the anime, how I feel towards it. because that's just before I dropped out. Longfire Blossom. Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. Beautiful. Harpy Feather Storm. Shadow Schism. A Ghost Bell. We've had 3 of those so far. I know they're good cards too. As I say, I'll put up any significant prices. Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon. Lovely card. Vision Hero Faris. Egyptian God Slime. What a card. What a legendary card this is. Fossil Dig. Harpies Featherstorm. Pot of Extravagance. Magicalized Fusion. Infinite Imperance. Implements. My bad. I use that in Master all the time. Just sometimes my pronunciation on things ain't the best. Striker Dragon. And a Small World. Looks very nice now. Okay, we are down to the final 4 packs. Mech Knight. Fairy Tale Luna. The Wind Channeler. Lightning Storm. Ooh, ho, ho, ho. Great card this. Pain in the Arse. Beautiful looking card. And a Pot of Desires, super rare. Dark Ruler No More. Nibiru, the Primal Being. Annoying card. Fantastic though. Dimension Shifter. Artifact Lancia. Tri-Barrage Revolt. Dimensional Barrier. Reasoning. Triple Tactics Talent. Chaos Space. Ice Dragon's Prison. Final pack, guys. Hopefully we can pull something great. If not, it's been a great pack opening. As I say, I'm unsure of like all the prices, if I've missed something, if I haven't reacted to something big. It's because I'm still learning. Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Photon Dragon. Ghost Bell and the Haunted Mansion. Chaos Space. Magicalized Fusion. And another Nibiru. So that is great stuff in there. 2 Ashes, can't complain. Yeah, but that's it for my first pack opening. If you liked it, guys, please give it a like. And I will be bringing you lots more, as well as different content, anime content, Master Duel content, a lot. Cheers, bye.